everybody, and welcome back to another video of Beast Wars Simulator. In this episode, I might get the last gate, the 30B zone. Yay! Okay, so let's go over here. 3, 2, 1, claim the hive. And thanks, Sia says that. And so subscribe to him, he's great. Also subscribe to that guy Kyle and SD Mittens and Dennis. Dennis Daily and the pals are greatness. They're one of my favorite YouTubers, so they're good. And I got a Photon Bee a couple of days ago. He's right at the tippy top you see there. Yeah, and I have a hive slot, and I'm gonna aim for another egg. I'm aiming for a basic egg, 10 million honey, but I already got once I'm done here, I have about 2 million, perhaps, say? I don't know how much, but I'm not doing the math. It's the weekend. So, done with honey here. Oh, 1,827,235. That's pretty good. And my tickets don't seem so well today. 47. That's because I got Photon B sometime. So let's fire up this. So you see right now, this bad boy's red. Well, when I get that 10 million honey egg, he gonna be green, and I'll be able to go in it. And so in case you guys don't know, so if you go to the mountaintop, even though if you can't go in the 30B zone, you can still find the secrets. Well, you can't get them, but you can find them. So, yes. So I'll show you right now. So glide down here. Turn around here. So the black thing stops you at a moment, but the blue thing doesn't. But it has a little narrower ledge at the top. So you can check that out. As I'm showing you, you can look at the secrets, but you can't get them. As you see here, I've not gotten in yet. It seems there's a ticket right over there, near the red thing, near the red guard thing. Bumblebee Man, and so here's some enzymes right below me. Enzymes, see? My bees are in the way. Enzymes, yeah. There is Bumblebee Man, right here. Some moon parkour, a royal jelly, some moon parkour. And as I've watched YouTube, there's Onat right here, and if you complete his quest, he gives you a star tree. He's trying to open that white thing, that white circle, which is the lid. And what I've seen and heard of from YouTube is something under this platform. And it's a bear, it turns out, and there's a diamond egg. There's a diamond egg under there. So check that out too. I really hope you get that diamond egg. Ah, washing machine. Okay, so guys, I can't get this yet. Mr. Gummy Bee, do you want thing? There you go. And there's some enzymes over here once you're in the gummy layer. And behind are the glitter. And don't get, so just grab this star jelly there. And before Gummy Bear can kill you, reset. So he's not the one who kills you. And then you'll just have it. But even the YouTubers don't know that. So there's a good secret for you. Yeah. I can't quietly defeat Tunnel Bear yet, but I can get him to about at least 4,500 health. I'm still working on the stump snail. Haven't killed him yet. Yeah. I'll jump on you. Beady eyes. Ouch! Oh, he hurts. Okay, so yeah, Tunnel Bear's hard. And today, Science Bear, Mr. Science here. I'm on his quest, Limits of Language. And you have to craft 50 ingredients with the blender. I only do gumdrops because those are the easiest. 5 million pounds from the dandelion field. Defeat 50 ants, I got that down. 10 hotshot badges, got that down. 25 B-types, got that down. 250 token link tokens, I have not done that yet. Oh, speaking of which, I'm gonna go collect my gumdrops right now. So yeah. Yes. Yee. Okay. I have the Silver Soakers sprinklers, in case you want to know that. I crafted 3 gumdrops. I don't want to craft one. I'm gonna go get my boost and stuff. Oh, and in case you know, the star jelly on top of that blender there. When the blender used to not be here, it was like right when you went in, but it's on top of the blender now. You'll have to jump onto this ledge and then glide on over there. Yeah. And there's a star jelly in the ace place. I call it that. So does Thanksia. And on top of here there used to be something, but there's nothing there anymore. Which is sad. Oh, Vicious Bee! Hold on, I got killed a werewolf. Die! Yeah. Never! I will spark you. I will spark you. Ooh, I got enzymes for that. I got 1. 10 tickets? Oh, I actually get 1 or 3. That's great. Okay. So let's kill this Vicious Bee. Okay, Mr. Vicious Bee, you're... In case you're wondering if this is my VIP server, no, it's not. I just don't want to buy one. I don't want to waste my Robux. This is my friend's VIP server. She might join, and if you will, she's pretty nice. She's one of my great friends. In case you want to friend her, her username is Choopy66, and in case you want to friend me, my username is MCGamer49. I almost got hit by a spike there. That was not good. Okay. This Vicious. I'm lagging. Probably because I'm recording right now and I don't have great computer. If I always get 10 tickets from a werewolf, that will be so helpful to get, oh, in case you're wondering, guys, the next event I'm going to get is, Tabby Bee, maybe Tabby Bee? Oh yeah, Beamstorm. Okay. I think Tabby Bee and then Festive Bee. Let's check in there right now. Okay, I'll get that sprout later. Check in here. Oh yeah, so I already have Crimson, Cobalt, and Photon. Here's Photon right here. I'm gonna get Puppy Bee last. I'm gonna get Tabby Bee, then Festive Bee, and then I'm gonna get Puppy Bee. Because I don't think Puppy Bee is the greatest of all of them. 50,000 please. Yes, it's 50,000 HP. Okay, that'll be easy. Sparkin' ladybugs here. Ooh, Beamstorm, Beamstorm. Yeah. That helps. Okay. Oh, I'm lagging. I need a gummy sprout. I don't have any magic beans though. And in case you're wondering, I'm not gonna buy any because I don't waste my tickets either, but I'm saving my Robux right now to get Bearby because he seems really cool and good at fighting and such. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like and subscribe to MC Kawaii YouTube. Comment down below if you want to. And the thing, so yeah, also sub to Darzeth. And yeah, so that wraps this up. Thank you everyone for joining me on this adventure today. And we will see you in the next one. Also, if you watch this video, comment down below bees. No. Comment down below tunnel bear almost. And we will see you in the next one. Just kidding. That's what Dennis would say. Okay, bye.